Today I'm going to cover the E-2 visa requirement that says that in order to qualify for the E-2 visa, your business must be a real and operating commercial enterprise. First of all, what does this even mean that the business must be a real and operating enterprise? To me, it means, in most cases, that you have done everything that is needed to get the business to a point where it is operational or right on the cusp of becoming operational. For example, let's say you are opening a bakery and you have a long list of to-dos that must be checked off before you can open your doors. You have to secure a location and pay for a build out. You have to buy kitchen equipment, furniture, etc. You have to create a website and social media account. You have to apply for all of the necessary permits and licenses, and the list goes on. In order to put yourself in the best possible position for a successful E-2 visa application, you should complete all of these tasks on your to-do list before you apply. In an ideal situation, the very last thing that has to occur in order for you to open your bakery is for you to get an E-2 visa to allow you to actively manage the business on opening day. Now, a lot of people are perplexed and frustrated by this requirement, and for good reason. Why would someone work hard and spend a lot of money to get their business to a point where it is fully operational if they do not have permission yet from the US government to run that business in the United States? From an entrepreneur's perspective, this simply does not make sense. In a perfect world, you would get the visa and then follow through with your plans and execute on your vision. But when you think about this requirement from the perspective of the US government, it starts to make a little more sense. The E-2 visa comes with some amazing perks. My favorite perk is that the spouse of the investor can get work authorization. Can you imagine the potential for abuse if the US government didn't closely examine E-2 applications and did not require proof of a real and operating commercial enterprise? Without this requirement or the committed investment requirement, a foreign national could simply present a plan showing what they intend to do and secure the E-2 visa without ever actually intending to grow a business. This would give the spouse the ability to work. So this requirement is intended to curb abuse. And unfortunately, this means that legitimate entrepreneurs who want to build a business in the US have to go out of their way to convince the US government that their intentions are true and their business is the real deal. So hopefully this requirement now makes a little more sense. If you have questions about the E-2 visa, I highly encourage you to reach out to one of the many amazing US immigration lawyers that you can find across the globe. And if you did enjoy this video, please like it or pass it along. Thank you for your time.